to my internship workday. Honestly, I've been there since last month and the second last day of the month of my work. Yeah. Bring my jacket because it's rainy season. It's quite cold. I'm gonna wear this today.
Hi vlog, welcome to my chat. I'm taking over Mira's vlog. Rose, ano bang pwede lang yan? Hi chat, it's me vlog. I'm taking over Mira's... Mira no? Hi everyone, it's me, Jay. I am Rose's bestie. Pero ako ang isa sa mga bestest friends ni Rose. Today, I will be referring to her as Rosemary. Usually kasi sa mga vlog niya, hindi siya nagsasalita, diba? Puro ganap-ganap lang. So, etong vlog na to, madami siyang i-edit. So, today, today kasi, kailangan isama mo to sa vlog. Today kasi, mag-internship siya and this is a part of her internship. Ramdam ko yung pressure. May hawak ng camera niya for today. Madami tayong pag-uusapan. Magre-reveal ako ng mga secrets ni Rosemary. Hindi niya pwede i-cut kasi ito yung content niya for that day, that week.
Actually, ko di na babalik sa'yo yung camera mo. This one's
Rose, akong target ng ako ang vlog mo ngayon. Hi vlog. It's me again. I have my pancake. Ayan talaga.
You're gonna see her later, the costume. She's gonna be super pretty. Ano ba costume ko ngayon?
Sabihin ko sana si Mamita Dennis.
No wings, just the king of the queen. My lady, look at here, baby. I'm all up on you, cause you represent it.
Na-enjoy ko siya. Nakulay ko pa. Sign na yun. Sign yun ni Lord. Hindi ko dala yung sign yun ni Lord. Hindi ko dala yung mali ko. Maybe this is not the time. Bumalik ka. Ortigas to, bebe. Ortigas. Dapat ka pala Ortigas para
Ina-hijack ko po kasi yung vlog niya today.
May documentation talaga kami sa finals namin ate kailangan. Ipapartagus. Ako?
Nagawan. Ako talaga nakikita mo. Dalawang piraso lang yung nilagay ni Mir.
Content ka lang
Me and my girlies, we gon' party till it's early, going feeling otherworldly tonight. Caught in some traffic, but the radio was buzzing, drop a red light, and we're saying goodbye.
Easy mo yan ha. At last pa naman ang show.
This is Dance Plus Prod Team. So today, wala lang. Alam niyo yun?
Makikita
Ikaw naman, G.
Makikita.
So ayun na nga. Magsa-start na sila.
Okay, mommies, daddies,
In a bit.
And one more pose for mommies and daddies.
And then nandun si...
Same position, girls. Smile.
for you. Huh?
Meron na ako sa akin. Tagal lang pumasok dito. May reserve ako.
I'm looking for books.
Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to you heart pump out some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you'll wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love, at least just let me say. Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by and not tell without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight?
I've been here since 12 and it's almost 4. I'm tired.
All that I want this life. I'll imagine we fell in love on that under moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face.
I have my ginger with me. Actually, it's so hot in here. But yeah, that has been my videos. I hope you like that. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Now I can shake it with this. I know.
Should have done it slowly. Ano ba? Oh, ito diba? Ito diba? Ayan. It's okay. Hello. Ano sa?
We're going to unbox it now.
Take 3.
Unbox.
Ah! No! It's so nice!
My bookmark. Oh, pack. Wala na. I already love it. Oh. Guys, ganyan mantis ng libro. Pag straight kasi hindi ko nagugustuhan. Mukha silang mga tibang. Ako na. Hindi maganda. Huwag kang makinig sa kanya. Close your ears. Binigyan kaming may hyperopia ng libro. Ganyan kaliliit yung text. Habang nagbabasa. Okay, what's ano? Ano sabi mo dyan sa book na yan? Kapalingan. Okay, second emotion.